Welcome back. Anand Naik, brother of victim Dilip Naik, has demanded death sentence for the murder victim Janardan Kokra. District and Sessions Court Margao on Friday had convicted Janardan Kokra for murdering the victim Dilip Naik under a conspiracy to get benefit of life insurance. The court will pronounce quantum of punishment on Wednesday.
माझ्या भावाक जनार्दन कोकरेन निष्पाप मनशाक व्हरून अमानुष त्याची हत्या केलेली आहा आणि त्याचे हात पाय तकली कापून त्याका व्हरून मोल्याच्या बरकट्या मोल्या व्हरून त्याका त्याने लासलेलो आहा अशा मनशाक न्यायालयान कडक अशें शासन करपाक जाय आणि त्या खातीर त्याका फाशी हीच योग्य अशी म्हाका दिसता.
The trial court convicting Janardan Kokra for murder said on 9th April 2011, Kokra kidnapped Dilip Naik, a victim with unsound mind. Next day, Janardan Kokra boarded the victim in his jeep and committed his murder by strangulation. To manipulate with the identity of the body, Kokra had separated victim's head from the body, cut both his arms below the elbow level and legs below the knee level. Kokra threw away victim's body parts roadside here and there. Remaining body he kept in his jeep and set it on fire.
The accused person dropped this headless body in his jeep at Barkate on the Kokra road and on the right side of the highway and set his own vehicle on fire along with the headless body.
There were two motives behind this whole conspiracy. One, that Janardan Kokra wanted to show that he was the one who had been murdered in order to avail the death benefits from his 19 LIC policies, which he had made at one time, and second, to get rid of a lady he had duped. Kokra promised a job to her daughter in the Goa police and claimed 12 lakh rupees to get the job done. Kokra committed the crime and went underground. Initially, Kokra succeeded in his plots as Goa police thought him to be the deceased, but his destiny soon turned around. On June 23rd, 2011, he was found in an unconscious state on the Mandovi bridge. Meanwhile, the DNA report of the deceased body had established that it was body of victim Dilip Naik.
The trial court will deliver its final judgment on 17th of April. But before that, public prosecutor and the defense lawyer will argue on the quantum of punishment. Victim's family is demanding death sentence for the convict Janardan Kokra. Now it will be a real task for public prosecutor to prove this case as a rarest of rare. With reporter Uday Parab from Bicholim, I am Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
In the last 4 months, state has reported 473 thefts and housebreak cases. The looted booty by robbers touches the crore mark. In the last 4 months, robbers have decamped with booty worth 4.5 crores. This includes foreign currency worth 5,50,000 rupees. The biggest theft was committed few days back at Margao and robbers had swept 30 lakh rupees. In this line of robberies, the most pettiest theft of 100 rupees is registered at Mapsa police station.
The robbery business is booming in Goa and the booty looted in the last 4 months is touching crores mark. It has touched a 4.5 crore mark. The thieves have not restricted only to the house theft, but are also duping the foreigners for pounds, dollars and dirhams. Last 4 months, state has recorded 473 theft and housebreaking cases. Total 4 crores 44 lakhs 52,698 rupees were robbed in 473 cases. This loot includes foreign currency worth 5,57,849 rupees. It includes pounds, dollars and dirhams. The list of the thefts is topped by a major robbery worth 30,80,000 rupees in Margao. On the other hand, the smallest theft case of 100 rupees is reported in Mapsa. In these 473 theft cases, most of the cases have been reported at Panaji and Calangute police station. Both the police stations have registered 77 theft cases each. The robbers have now started duping tourists in the beach stretches. A senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
Robbers and thieves have struck 151 religious places across state in last 3 years. Interestingly, 67 people involved in these cases were arrested, but only 3 cases have resulted in a conviction till date. 55% of cases were closed down by the Goa police due to lack of evidence. 27 cases are under investigation, whereas 14 are under trial. Here is a report.
Year 2010 recorded major number of theft cases in the state. Goa police have failed to nab most of the thieves in these cases. Since 2010, 151 thefts have been reported at religious places. These figures include temples as well as chapels. Out of 151 cases, 70 were reported in 2010 itself. 44 cases have been detected till now. Charge sheet has been filed in 38 cases. However, only 3 cases have resulted in conviction, while 20 have resulted in acquittal. 83 cases were closed due to lack of evidence. 67 persons have been arrested in these 151 cases since 2010. Only 6 have been convicted, whereas 28 accused have been acquitted. Property worth 81 lakhs is robbed in these robberies. However, police could recover only 2,08,000. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.